Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to make your Pinterest profile private on your PC using the latest update of the Pinterest app. If you want to take control over who sees your pins, boards, and profile, setting your profile to private is the perfect way to protect your privacy. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the app. Click on this gear icon. It will take you directly to your account's settings page. Inside the settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Profile Visibility. This section controls who can view your profile and its contents. Now, look for the toggle switch called Private Profile. Click or tap to enable this option. Enabling this switch means only the people you approve will be able to see your profile, your pins, your boards, your followers, and who you follow. This effectively limits your Pinterest presence to a trusted audience. After enabling the private profile feature, a warning box may appear asking you to review your current followers. You can choose to do this immediately or skip it for now by clicking Not Now. Either way, your profile will still be set to private. With your profile set to private, your pins and boards will also be kept secret by default, so only approved followers have access to your content. This is an excellent way to keep your ideas and interests safe from the wider public. Remember, privacy settings like these help you manage your online presence, ensuring that your Pinterest activity is shared only with people you choose. That's it, you've successfully made your Pinterest profile private on your PC with the new update. Enjoy a safer and more controlled Pinterest experience.